Hey, hello everyone. Of course, welcome back to my channel name Study Vlog. So yes, I have a lot of stationery here. I used the previous pens like sketch pens. Okay, so these are the normal sketch pens of Domes, and this were a bit expensive. These are of Luxor. These are also a bit expensive. And then I got a very cheap one that is Adgel. It is really nice, fine, and some of these are brush pens and some of these are normal sketch pens, but I'm going to use brush pens, the bigger one, this one of Camlin, for the first time, and I'm just going to review that today. So this video is totally based on this particular product, okay, and we would be comparing it with the previous brushes. This is not actually a brush pen, this is just a sketch pen, if you can see, right? So it is just pure sketch pen, okay. But yes, I also have brush pens from the past, right? So we will be just comparing all those with one another, and let's see which is the best one, right? So I recently saw on Instagram a very good way to draw petals and wreath and many other things related to plants, and I was really very excited to use this, right? I've opened it but I have not used it, right? So I'm just going to this is one of the expensive, most expensive. This is like 350 rupees sketch pens. So this is like the most expensive one I've ever purchased, okay. So yes, I'm just going to open this. This is a very big case and it has 24 pens. So of course it has a lot, so sorry about the camera, it has a lot of pens. And see, I've opened it only half, right? I did not open after this, so I'm just going to open it, and let's see how this works. I have high hopes for this particular product because um, of course I've paid more, fine. So let's try and see this, okay. So plastic, of course I'll remove it now. I have a sketchbook, and let me see if I have done it. I've done only one thing, okay. So the sketchbook is already empty, whole empty. So I'll start with this particular sketchbook, okay. So with green I'll start, okay. And this is only, you can say, one side. There's only one side, but the previous brushes which I bought a lot time ago, this was also from Ad and this is from Camden. So these are two different pens, you can see, right? But this has an advantage, you can get the smaller tip right here, as you can see, if the focus is there, yes, right. And then in the back side of the same pen you can get a large tip, right? So we have like two brushes, you can say the thin one here, right, and the large one here. So we have both brushes in the same one. So this of course is a perk, but let's try. I'm using this particular green color from this box, and I also have green color from this, and I might also have dark green. I'm just searching the right colors. I'll just remove all the brush pens from this particular thing so that we can compare. I might have lost the dark green one, I'm thinking, I'm not very sure. Okay, we have all this and a black one, of course. So okay, I have like 1 2 3 4 4 5 6 7 8 9, so 10. It might be, the case might be there might be only 10 pens, or I might have lost two, okay. So no issues, let's start with the green one, okay. Let's start. That's really nice. The paper absorbs it very nicely. So see, you can see the leaves are becoming very nice, right? Let me use this one and let me compare here. Okay. Okay. No, these are not that good, but I can always have the big one. But I use the brush a bit, right? So it might be the result might not come. Okay, fine. But I really like the flow of this brush is really nice. Okay, let me try something which I recently have seen on Instagram. I have seen someone posted this and I was so much fascinated by that. Okay, after this what you have to do is you just have to grab your pen, right? And you just have to make a line. It becomes, you can say, a leaf, a very pretty leaf. Yes, it really works. See, it's looking nice. Yes. And I always wanted to make a wreath out of it. Okay, so let's try that one here. Okay, so of course a pencil and a circle I need. Okay, and I'm just going to use the Camlin ones because these are actually I've used a lot. Okay, so these are, I can say, I've just used it a lot of times. But yes, for precise, you can say, for precision I can use the new add ones, right? These are the new add ones, and these are just markers. These are not brush ones. Of course they have a strong tip here, or you can say a fine tip here, right? And a thick tip here, but these are just markers, so these can be used for detailing. But yes, I'm going to use this particular thing, right? So let me start and try this. I need the dark green one. Okay, so we have a dark green one here. I can add some details. It's really looking good. And put a lot of light green and less of dark green. That is what I need to achieve here. Okay, a bit of more dark green to add a variation here and there. Okay, I think it's okay. Right, now we can add flowers. Okay, I need orange would look good here, and pink. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just trying to make a star here. Okay, not bad, but the colors are mixing, no issues. Now for details I can use a pen either, or I can just leave it as it is because it is looking really good. But for certain details I can put 3-4 leaves here and there. So yes, this turned out to be very nice, to be very frank. Should not have used this because the plain look is also very nice. But I wanted to try one more thing. Let me try that. The color is really bright. I like that. It doesn't actually gives you 100% brush look, but of course it is still nice, it is still really nice. And you can do one more thing. If you don't know, I just tried this. See, you just have to give some strokes, only some, like you just have to touch. That will also have a good effect here. I know I made a terrible flower here. It's not even looking like a flower. But yes, you can actually add some of the details, like see. Okay, so yes, I really like the pens, to be very frank. The sketch pens are really nice and you can use it. But these one which I showed you of add, this are, you can say, very precise. So if I can show you here, see. Okay, let me try the name with this particular. Let's see how it looks. Okay, these are neon colors because these are really bright, right? So let me try to write E. Not bad. If you know how the stroke works, then this is really nice because I don't really know how the stroke works. But to be very frank, it was really a good experience using this particular pens. I was waiting for a long time to actually open this and use this, and there is actually a good lighting here, so you might see it very nicely or very badly. But yes, it works really fine for me. The cost is 350, and to be very frank, I'm really impressed with the especially ink flow. And because this is a very hard paper, you will not end up, but on a normal paper, of course, it will have an ink printed in the back. But because these are canvas sheets, right, so that's why, because they are, you can say, very hard paper, so it might not blur the next side. Fine, so take good care of yourselves. That was my, you can say, video on review of Camlin brush pens, and I really like those. If given a chance, I would make more videos like this.